All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Now, it was pretty much an impressive performance from the Reggae Girlz. Lots to talk about in the game. Some interesting stuff. We'll be getting to that. Um, Definitely, I do hope that you guys enjoyed that performance as I did. I didn't get to do any watch along because of, as you can see, different location, everything. But that's how it is sometimes. Definitely, that's how it is sometimes. But I do believe that most of the football fans, Jamaican football fans who watched that game would have definitely, and I mean 100%, enjoyed that performance. If you didn't enjoy the performance, what else could you be asking for? We scored 9 goals. What else could you really be asking for? So, as it stands, Jamaica is at the top of the table. Um, let me find the fixtures. We're at the top of the table. And this looks good. We're on top of the table of Group C. We're on 9 points, basically tied with Dominican Republic. Both teams win 3 games and definitely obliterating the entirety of the table. Now we have scored a little bit more. We scored 5 more goals than Rep. So we scored 19 goals, conceding 1. Damrep scored 14 goals, conceding none. So that's quite good. That's quite good. As you know, it's going to be a tough encounter. It will be a tough encounter when we face them. I do believe so. But I think we can get that one over the line. We'll meet them. So let's get to the details of this game. Jamaica, Cayman Islands 0, Jamaica 9. Cayman Islands 0, Jamaica 9. Jamaica 9, Cayman Islands 0. Reggae Girlz 9. All right, so pretty much an emphatic start. From the whistle blew, from the moment of the first whistle, you can see the hunger. Trudy Carter, Jody Brown, very, very hungry. Solid performance from our defensive peer as well. I do think everyone would definitely look into that performance. Say that was really, really good performance from the Swaby sisters. Spence, just a really, really overall all-round performance. Yes, first goal, Trudy Carter cuts inside. Lovely pass from Jody Brown onto Trudy Carter inside the channel, and she just slot it away quite easily. Own goal was the second one. Pretty sloppy. Pretty sloppy. Then Jody Brown again with a right foot cracker. She hits them really good off any foot. Trudy Carter again back at it. So hat-trick for Trudy Carter, hat-trick for Khadija Shaw. I think Jody Brown got maybe a hat-trick for an assist. I think she got hat-trick of assist, I believe. Hat-trick for Trudy Carter, hat-trick for Khadija Shaw. Some lovely goal, Khadija Shaw with some screamers from outside and some clinical finishes, finishing prowess as well inside of the area, cutting edge, beating the keeper at far post. Lovely stuff to see. And it was a pretty much an interesting encounter. First half finished 5. That tells you everything about the game. When the first half finished 5, that tells you basically everything you need to know about the game. Now, for me, I'm going to show you the goal that was pretty much. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening here? This goal, let me take this out of the way. This goal, I'm telling you, this goal was a peach of a goal. A real peach of a goal. Lovely. What is the the Cayman Islands defender doing? What is that she's doing right there? Great goal from Kyle McCoy. Kyle McCoy. I do think that she came on and put in some good work. But definitely, it's hard to select a play of the match. It's really, really hard to select a play of the match when everyone put in such good performance. I would want to go to Trudy Carter because you can say that Khadija Shaw did score a trick, but in regards to work rate and just being all and around the pitch, you just saw I saw a little bit more from Trudy Carter. Not saying that Khadija Brown didn't do much, but definitely the Swaby sisters were tremendous in the defensive aspect of the game, keeping that clean sheet, keeping it not tight. Well, they didn't really come under much pressure due to the amount of dominance that we had. So it was really, really impressive to see, and I definitely enjoyed that game. 9 goals is not something you can really, really just look past. No, definitely it means that we now have a target on our back. We now have a target on our back. People are looking and say, okay, we understand that this Jamaica, this Reggae Girlz team looks powerful, a lot of talent, top quality players in the team. People are looking at all these players who are quality, real quality, and know what to expect. As you can see, Kyla McCoy is celebrating there with her teammates. Definitely, it's good to see. People are looking, people are understanding, people are seeking our formula, what we're doing, and what they can do to beat us. It's not good that teams are now what looking at us and saying, okay, how can we beat them? How can you stop Khadija Shaw? I don't think that's really possible because she's a physical specimen. Jodie Brown, quite intricate in how she moves, how she attacks the goal, in her passes as well as you can see from the assist that she got. And Trudy Carter, really lethal anywhere in and around the 18-yard box. Yes, Cayman is basically one of the weakest teams in the group. So I know most people would have something to say about that, but nevertheless, that still doesn't take away the fact that we held them and we trashed them. That didn't take away that fact. Good to know that we're at the top of the table. It looks good. Now let's see what we can do when we face up against a tough opponent such as Rep, because I saw them and I'm saying that they do play good football, but they're not unbeatable. They do play good football, but they're not unbeatable. Some of the teams that I'm actually more scared of are not in our group, such as Panama, one of the teams that we really should look at. I do believe that they do have a very good squad and top players to look out for. Mexico is also doing well. This is from Group A. So definitely we have some teams to face going into the second half. 80 dominant performance as well from the Asians. So there's a lot more work to do. The work has started, and I do love the fact that the girls came out and they represented Jamaica really brilliantly, and in trashing the Cayman Islands. Definitely trashing. And that's what you do when you get smaller teams to beat. You really stamp your authority on those teams and show them that you are there for a reason. There's a reason why you have qualified recent times as well, and you're not here to mess around. And it shows that we command that level of respect from the other groups and the other teams that will be looking at us. And definitely, I know most of these teams will not be wanting to face this Reggae Girl team. But let that be rested, and we move on to the next one. Hopefully I am home and we can definitely do a watch along for that one. I honestly believe that we can do. I didn't get to do much on this one. I do apologize on that. As you can see, the environment is quite different, so you know that good. But anyways, until next time, people, I do think that there's something to take away from this game. There's a lot of positives. There's maybe a little bit lackluster. We started off a little bit lackluster. We faded in moments, but I do think that it was control. I do think that we faded was a bit of managing our pace of the game. So I definitely think that we hold on to the position of the ball really well. Let me show you the stats. The stats are phenomenal. 9 goals. We had a total of 74% possession. They had 26. We had a total of 30 shots. They had none. We have 12 shots on target. They also had none. A total of 16 fouls, 9 to us, 7 to them. Definitely offside, just 2. But that's how it is. This just emphasizes how beautifully they play and that level of dominance and high competitive edge that the team has. And I'm happy. I'm really happy for that. So we'll go any further. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, people, Military Guna TV here. Like, share, and also hit that subscribe button, people. And thank you very much. Hopefully you guys enjoy that game just as I did. Until next time, we are out. Boom.